You have the plane?
Right, I have the plane.
You have the plane.
So we're going to start by throttling back. Start dropping our flaps. Mixture goes to Rich. We're going to be in the landing configuration.
Tango, final for Niner. Close for traffic.
We're in the wide arc. Going the flaps full. Holding my heading.
Base for 14.
When I get down to around 60 or so, pull the power all the way out. Start pulling up. There's my warning. There it's on full. There's the stall, full power. Drop the nose. Little right rudder. First notch of flaps comes out. Next notch of flaps. And flaps all the way up. So, throttle back.
07 Quebec is turning
Like all the way?
No, like 1500 or so. You're just trying to slow down right now.
Roll by 28, Carlisle traffic.
Alright, and starting working those flaps in. You can go ahead, go with full flaps. Hold it here at 3000. Alright, go ahead and bring the power all the way out.
Cessna 887 is turning.
Pull it back, pull back.
Left base, runway 7.
Warning, pulling, pulling, and full power, drop the nose. Little right rudder in there. First notch of flaps out. And flaps all the way up now.
The plane?
I have the plane.
You have the plane.
Alright, so takeoff configuration. So you want to start by slowing the plane down.
Okay.
Sometimes people make this big mistake of just full power and start yanking.
Yeah.
It'll take forever for it to stall. So what you want to do instead, get it down to like 60. Slowly working the power, and of course you want to work on that right rudder. Keeping it centered with the ball. Right? I'm feeding in more right rudder, more right rudder. There's my warning. There's the brake. Alright, let's go right to level.
778 Tango.
And that's the recovery.
Left base.
So bring the power out a little bit.
Yeah, like 1500 or so.
Bloomberg traffic, Skyhawk
Watch your rudders.
5778 Tango. Turning on the final from Niner.
Wait till it gets to about...
And just start pulling the nose up.
Now or wait till it gets 60?
Pull the nose up to get to about 60. When you get to about 60, then you gently start feeding power back in.
Alright, so...
Power back in. That thing coordinated with the rudder. Right. Wings level. Up. 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 And go ahead and recover.
I don't think I fully stalled on that one, but...
Alright, so go ahead and start throttling back.
Traffic, 2 Golf Charlie, about 5 miles west inbound.
We're doing another one?
Now we'll do it upwind.
Just start pulling that nose up.
Bloomberg traffic, Skyhawk 5778 Tango. Left crosswind for 9.
Pulling that nose up. Gently start feeding in the power. Keep the wings level.
2 Golf Charlie, are you on this side of the ridge or you're in the practice area too? We're Golf Charlie getting ready to enter the upwind on the east side of the river.
You're turning. You keep turning.
Valley traffic.
On that heading. Pulling. 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 Keep pulling. Pulling, pulling, pulling. Right pedal. And recover. There you go.